My name is Kurosh Daneshkar. I'm a jeweler designer and I help people to express their love through my jewelry design. I have made and designed more than 10,000 rings. That's why they call me the Ring Master.
This piece has to be magnificent. If you buy a piece of art and you hang it in your home and people, they see what you like. When people buy jewelry, you buy in a piece of art and you put it on. Engagement is a little bit even more on that any other piece of jewelry because every day she's gonna look at it and every day you're gonna remember that moment and the commitment and love.
Wow, kind of beautiful. If you remember, there is going to be a piece of gold we're going to solder in.
Yeah, we're gonna lay it on the inside. I left a little groove here.
Uh-huh.
So
That's
we could just groove it out.
gorgeous diamond. So the whole ring is high?
I left
You know, the
enough
whole-
room so we could
Uh-huh.
lower it down during manufacturing.
Okay,
I think it'll work.
but looks good. So very much we got it. Very good.